Hey, I'm Ken.
And I'm LeighAnn.
And this is Journeys with Ken and LeighAnn.
So we're out on top of Holly Hill knowing we need to get some work done today. And after yesterday's frustrations, if you've seen episodes 23, that was me, sorry. All that came together today. So we've got a lot of good news to share. Ken's super excited. He's been screaming. Why?
Oh, they dug the footings out for my workshop.
I think that was me.
What?
I mean, I'm sitting here.
Yeah.
Did I not do that for you?
Yeah. But it's time to show you what they've done over here with my workshop. And then right after that, we're going to take you guys to go see.
We have something on the property we haven't had yet. So all the way up to the pad. Is that where we're going?
What are you talking about?
What got brought to the pad today?
I don't know what got brought to the pad today.
Oh, never mind. We're confused.
I'm not confused.
Let's look at the shop and then we'll do something else. I don't know what it'll be.
Well, I was going to tell them what we were going to do.
Oh, I wasn't going to tell you. I was going to make you wait, but here goes. Spoiler alert.
All right, so after we're done looking at the pad here, we're going to take you on a little trip over to the roofing place.
Oh, that's not what, no spoiler alert. There's a couple surprises in today's journey.
All right, let's head over right over here. We'll turn the camera and we'll check out the pad. All right, so we're standing on the workshop pad right here. If you watched yesterday's video, we were concerned about the placement of the shop being to this way.
Right, so the house is, am I still on the camera? The house literally is like this up in front of us here. And yesterday the shop was like this too, but today the shop is how?
It's like, hold on, let me do it the way you are. It's like this.
Go up, yeah, there we go.
It's like this now, so it's perfectly done up. It's gonna block everything that's going on back here, so she won't have to see it when I get my bandsaw mill back there. All right, so what they're gonna do right here is they're gonna put some batten boards all around this, and they're gonna do what's called a monolithic pour. And what that is they dig out the footings here. They're gonna put rebarb in the ground or in here like this, and they're gonna just pour a big massive amount of cement. And I'm gonna have a big thick pad right here. So that's gonna be pretty awesome.
So in the videos that you'll see this morning when they were actually working on this and I was not operating the equipment, you'll see Ken having some conversations with Rick and Wayne and Clyde.
I need a 220 plug in the center here too.
All right.
Because that's what my table saw is.
Why don't y'all guys get your tapes and go ahead and move this, at least this front line here, so we'll know we're all on the same page.
You guys are cooking. That's all I'm saying, Rick. You guys are cooking.
But talk a little bit about what you and the guys were discussing with what you need in your shop.
All right, so I do woodworking. You can go see my stuff right up here. I'll put the link right there. Moonpie Creations, greatest YouTube channel on YouTube. All right, now that that's out of the way.
Second greatest.
Second greatest. This is the greatest. Anyways, now we're talking about my workshop. It's a 24 by 34 foot workshop. Right over here on the right hand side, my right hand side, we're gonna have a garage door to be able to bring in and out stuff into the workshop. But being a woodworker, I have a lot of dust and stuff like that, so I have what's called a dust collector.
Oh, that's cool. Where'd you get that?
LeighAnn got me that for Christmas. Now, the dust collector will be in the back corner, right back there. And my table saw is going to be right in the middle. It'll be right in the middle, right here. So, with that being said, I need to have 220 volts right here in the center of the workshop, because I can't plug in to an extension cord and I don't want to run an extension cord anywhere else. So I want the 220 right here. So they're going to bring electrical to right here before they pour. The back end is where I'm going to have my dust collector, as I said, and I'm having them put 4-inch PVC pipe into the corner there, and it's come all the way to the center of the shop right here. And what that'll do, it'll allow me to connect up my table saw to the dust collector without having the dust collector piping all the way over there or coming down from the ceiling. And that is what is going to be going on in the shop. All right, so they also put in the water line today, but they did not cover it back up because we have made a decision on the front gate. The front gate, we have decided that we will have power run to it instead of doing solar, because I'm worried about the trees growing over in a couple of years.
Right, and we want that.
Yeah, and we want that canopy over the road down there. And we also want to have an intercom there.
Okay, so Ken has gone to work. Oh, there's another somebody getting here. A lot of stuff's going on at the property this morning, and my promise to myself every day is to walk this extremely long driveway at least twice. They're about to lay some water line in the ditch they dug yesterday, and so I'm gonna walk up slowly, maybe. It's already so hot out here, but we'll get some video of them laying the line and we'll see who this is coming in. I wish it was a brick mason, but it's not. Right down through here, and that comes out near the gate. So this is the old logging road. We used to have to hike up this road quite a ways to get here, but we'll cut another ditch down through here to run the power for the gate electricity. And let's see, something else. I don't know, Cat 5 door phone line, I don't know, something. So our intercom works, our cameras work, and the gate works. I'm gonna get back down and see what Chris is up to.
See, LeighAnn is holding a pipe.
A water pipe.
A water pipe. And I don't know if they've hooked it up. Whoop, it's got water.
Oh yeah.
I don't like that little.
It's probably got air in the line. Oh, it's
Probably.
hot water too.
All right, so they ran the line all the way from the tap down the road all the way to here, leaving enough line to get to the house. All right, and they'll be able to use water to do the mixing with the masonry instead of having to ship water in. All right, well, that about sums up everything that's been going on in the property today, huh?
It's been a great day on Holly Hill, no doubt.
Yep.
So we're having to pick out our roof colors. So we're doing tin roofs, and so Ken and I are at the tin shop.
the metal roofing place.
The metal roofing place.
Carolina Metal Roofing.
Carolina Metal Roofing here in Gaffney, South Carolina. Love local, to see what our options are. So of course then we have our options book. And in that I have taken out, of course, the house, the brick, and we've spent a little bit of time looking at the different metal options and trying to see what we liked. At first we both kind of liked these two. So this is an ash gray and this is a clay color. And we felt like they went with the brick well. But then we both changed our mind to our number one choice being this, it's like galvanized, but it's Gavaloon. And
It's got an acrylic coating on the top that dulls it out and helps without any of that
and
I
it's
don't
less
know what it's
expensive.
calcification.
But
Yes,
the,
and
yeah,
less
the
expensive.
calcium buildup, whatever the white buildup is on galvanized stuff. So we both really like this. So again, we have the same first option. We also started looking at colors because Ken's shop's gonna look like a barn. We want it to have the same roof color. We want a red barn shop. And then my garage is going to have a foundation of the brick, and we want the same roof color. So we were actually looking at possibly doing maybe this color in the, what kind of board?
Hardy board.
Hardy board or siding or tin, whatever we decide to put on the side there of both of those. So we'll go with this color on the garage with the Gavaloom roof. And for Ken's shop, we will do Patriot red and have the Gavaloom
With
roof.
probably white trimming, I would think.
I think we'll, yeah, probably do white trimming
Okay.
on that, and possibly the garage too. I may have to pull in some gray or slate color just to stay with the brick and the look of the house. I don't think gray's a color, so Ken's laughing at me. And we've got all this marked down. First, second, third choices. All this is going into our options
So-
book.
What do we got to do with all this information?
What do we have to tell Rick?
Yes, we got to get it to Rick.
But that's okay. We got that with Rick, and this morning while we were out at the property, we discussed the doors with Rick. So that's my no need to worry anymore, because Rick has some options for the door using a local contractor on our doors. I can get the doors I want and stay within budget. So today is a happy day for LeighAnn and happy for Ken too. We'll show you why when we get to the shop, to the property.
If this is your first time here to our channel, I ask that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell right next to it, so it'll always tell you when stuff comes out.
And be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Journeys with Ken and LeighAnn. Things happen fast, there's a lot more to come, so be sure that you subscribe and follow everything so you can keep up with us. We can't keep up with ourselves, but we hope you'll be with us.
All right, now head on down to the description. We have our Facebook and our Instagram links there, and we really hope that you would go over there, as she said, and follow us there. Now, until next time, we hope you enjoyed the journey. Yeah, that's where you need to stand and get back here. Come on. You gonna really stay down there?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm in the footing. I'll get up.
I have decided not to put a security camera down at the gate, just because it would cause me to have to purchase other computer items for it.
Yeah, don't get any ideas.
I may end up putting it down there to.
Now we're gonna have to put up a security camera.